minutes. Oh, welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I was muted. Welcome back, everybody. I have a fake mic. I was making a joke about this fake mic. Didn't miss much so far. I was talking about the thumbnail. It says, this looks bad, right? That's what I said. This looks bad. What looks bad? We got to talk a little bit about it. Look, there's some bad news that I just got to tell you guys straight up. The bad news is we're going to make a ton of money in crypto, but it's going to take a little bit longer. So there's the bad news. You're just going to have to wait a little bit longer. But we're going to make a ton of money in crypto because there's actually a ton of good news. But the market does look bad right now, and I know a lot of people are scared. So we'll just talk about exactly what's going on. You like that clickbait? You like that clickbait? That's good clickbait, right? Yeah, sorry about the volume there, guys. I didn't unmute. So today, Bitcoin's down a little bit. Why? Just how it is. And it looks bad. And I know some people are upset. I know some people are just ready to quit. But I'd urge you guys to just hang in there because it looks bad. But it's all good. It's all good. I got a lot of good stories for you guys today. We're going to talk you through. So, welcome back, everybody. Welcome. We got 21 viewers on this beautiful Friday. Happy Friday, by the way. Friday. Shout out to all y'all out there. Shout out to John316, Cordio Comics, John316, Servando Estrada, Peter Potts McBlaze, Chris Elenes, Pepe in the chat. We got everybody honing in today. Thanks for joining, guys. So, no, it does look bad. It looks bad, but how often do we see that in crypto, right? All the time. But the facts differentiate from the feelings, okay? John316 gets it. He says, buy the fear, go lower, blood in the streets, DCA. You guys get it. Happy Friday to you, Brian. Appreciate you. I got my sparkling water. My wife can't breathe right now. She's 9 months pregnant, or 37 weeks, 38 weeks next week, pregnant. Can't breathe through her nose. So we're not sleeping because if she can't sleep, I can't sleep. So we're just in the battle for sleep right now. having a baby's testing my patience. And waiting for this crypto bull market is testing my patience. And so, while things look bad, these are all good things. These are all good things. Baby's going to be a beautiful baby, and your crypto baby is going to be a beautiful baby as well. If you've been DCAing in the low opportunities, guys, buying into this market, well, there are opportunities. And today, there are a tremendous amount of opportunities. Just look at this. Over the last 7 days, a lot of double-digit losers. A lot of great coins that are on a serious discount. Polygon, certainly one of them. Celestia, certainly one of them. Not coin I'm less familiar with, but I know a lot of people like this coin as well. Sui, I'm very familiar with this one. I like this coin a lot. Toncoin down because the founder is having some legal issues in France on the global stage, right? But all these dips are opportunities, and I know a lot of you guys in the chat do understand that, but some people are still learning. Some people are new to crypto, and they when it turns red, they run and they sell, and then when it turns green, they buy and they panic buy, and that's just not what we're supposed to do here, guys, okay? Today, there's nothing green, so this looks bad, right? There's nothing green. This looks bad, right? This looks bad. You know what else looks bad? Is this. August, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. August is red. It's down 9.36%. Oh no. Right, but the good news is, and I've talked to you guys about this, red August could mean maybe we do get a green September, because we've only had a green September after a red August. But historically, these are dud months, okay? So while this looks bad, this is just history repeating itself, guys. And if history wants to repeat itself in October, November, and December, October, November, December, that would be pretty neat. That'd be pretty neat. Well, that'd be neat. It would be neat. And I think it's going to come. Here's some good news. U.S. House Committee, the committee for crypto now, U.S. House Committee plans for a whole heap of them, a heap of crypto hearings. The House Financial Services Committee is expected to look at DeFi, U.S. enforcement, and pig butchering. In a series of hearings, the panel is set to schedule for next month. And so you're likely going to see two types of things, right? One, you're going to see some people come out pro-crypto, probably more so Republican folks. And then you're going to see people come out more anti-crypto, and that's likely going to be more Democratic folks. But I'm not going to throw it all into those baskets, right? There are some Democratic people that are understanding crypto's the future, teasing that maybe this is going to, become more of a pro-crypto issue on both sides of the aisle. Everybody's going to turn pro-crypto, but it's going to be interesting to see this. This is going to definitely make for some good headlines and some interesting conversation next month when the U.S. House Committee kind of goes in and probably is going to grill. Yeah, so Gary Gensler is going to get grilled. You're going to get a nice set of little clips of Gary Gensler just getting smashed, just crushed with a line of questioning, none of which he's going to answer, right? Because we've seen these hearings before. He usually ends up saying something like, unless I had the data right in front of me, I wouldn't feel comfortable answering a question like that. I'd have to look more closely at this issue. I'm not prepared to speak on that at this moment. Like things like that. That's always what he says when he gets asked typical questions that he doesn't want to answer. Questions that he's wrong on. And if he answers them truthfully, he would look like, you know what I mean? So there you go. That's coming up. I think that's going to be very good for crypto. I think. Or at least very fun for us to watch. So anyway, 29 folks watching, 10 likes. Do me a favor, if you guys are one of 29 watching, do me a favor, smash the like button. Other good news today. Elon Musk wins dismissal of the lawsuit claiming he rigged Dogecoin and conducted insider trading. Of course, Elon Musk didn't rig Dogecoin, and of course, he didn't conduct insider trading. Did he tweet about it? Yes. Do Elon Musk's tweet affect the market? Yes. But so, I mean, look at what Jim Cramer does for a living. Right? Look at what people on CNBC do all the time. Look at what the founders of these companies do all the time, going on and talking about their stock live on national TV. Elon Musk can tweet about a decentralized cryptocurrency. Absolutely. And so this is, justice has been served in that this dismissal of this lawsuit came out. So this was great news. This was great news. I enjoyed seeing this story. And this is good for Doge. Doge isn't getting any kind of pump on this today. But inevitably, I am a guy that believes that Dogecoin can achieve new all-time highs once again at some point in the future, especially if Elon Musk, who does affect the price of Dogecoin, especially if Elon Musk comes out and he ends up integrating Dogecoin into his super app, which he's going to make X.com. X is the place, right? It's the #1 social media platform in the world right now, in my opinion. I think it's the best place to go get news. I think it's the best place for free speech. I think it's the best place for all these things. Imagine if he really does this super financial app that he's talked about on this platform, integrating cryptocurrency into it. Imagine if you could bank through X, that would be something. And imagine if Dogecoin was integrated into it. That could be super, super bullish for Dogecoin. And I think that's going to come at some point. Yeah, a lot of good comments in the chat. Throw any questions at me, by the way, throughout the stream. But there's a lot to look forward to. This looks bad, right? That's the thumbnail, and it looks bad. Bitcoin's back below 60K. It looks bad, but here, how about this headline? Stacks co-creator on how the Nakamoto upgrade will drive a $70 billion market for Bitcoin DeFi. Guys, a $70 billion market for Bitcoin DeFi. How significant is that, you might ask? Well, let's look at the record books. DeFi Llama is the place where you can track all DeFi. $82 billion is currently locked up into the DeFi markets. The co-founder of Stacks, which is the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi, is saying it could be a $70 billion market cap. Of course, he's bullish on it. But why would that be? Well, Bitcoin is a $1.2 trillion asset when you look at the amount of value locked up in Ethereum. Let's just do this as an example. Chains. Can somebody pull out a calculator? There is $46 billion in TVL for Ethereum, okay? And the market cap of Ethereum is $295 billion. I don't need a calculator. So one fifth of the entire market cap of Ethereum, 1/6 of the entire market cap, maybe I did need a calculator, 1/6 of the entire market cap of Ethereum is what the size of its DeFi economy is. $50 billion in total value locked up in the Ethereum economy versus its $300 billion market cap. So that's 1/6 of the entire market cap of Ethereum is how big its DeFi economy is. What if Bitcoin had 1/6 of its entire market cap as its DeFi total value locked up? What would that be? Oh, math. It'd be almost 150 billion, right? It'd be like 150 billion, because 200 billion would be 1/5. 200 billion would be 1/5, so 175 billion. So if, again, let's walk this back. Ethereum is a $300 billion market cap, and its DeFi total value locked up is 50 billion. That's 1/6 of its entire market cap is in the TVL. Bitcoin is at, let's just call it $1 trillion, okay? Even though it's almost 1.2. $1 trillion. 1/6 of that is like 175 billion or something like that, okay? So, is this a logical prediction? Yes. Yes, it is. Stacks is going to be huge, guys. So while the market looks bad and while your patience is running thin, don't forget, guys, DeFi is coming to Bitcoin. And there's a huge opportunity in there for us. And it's not just Bitcoin DeFi, Solana, Avalanche, you name it. There's a lot of great chains out there, but Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It's got ETFs. It's got institutional demand like no other coin. I mean, this is a very real prediction. So I remain bullish on DeFi, and I remain bullish on Bitcoin DeFi. So I'm just looking forward to this bull market, guys. Well, everybody's patience is running thin. you know, it's okay. Now, a lot of these stacks tokens some of them are up over the last 30 days. Today, though, however, in the last 24 hours, not a lot is up. Most is actually quite a bit down. And that's fine. This is the stacks tracker, stacks tokens tracker. I'm very bullish on stacks. I've been talking about it pretty consistently for a while now. So while the news is bad, okay, and well, not the news isn't bad. The news is great. But while the sentiment is bad and while everybody's panicking, here are the facts. Bitcoin usually pumps after the US presidential elections. How high will Bitcoin pump after the 2024 election? It's a great question. So let's look at what happened historically for the last couple presidential elections. Here's the presidential elections. The white line is our current bull market. The green line is our last bull market, and the blue line is our second to last bull market. You see that Bitcoin creeps up, flat, creeping up. End of September, October, bullish. November, bullish, boom, explosion into the next year. Our 2025 bull market could be awesome, guys. It could be very, very awesome. And this thing could go all the way out to September or November of next year. I think that it's going to, actually. And I didn't originally think that. But now we're kind of back on track. Bitcoin's cooled off. In 2025, just like Simon Kelly said in the chat, is going to be big. I think. Historically, we've seen it in every single bull market. We've seen it in every single presidential election year. Crypto likes to explode. Some people say, well, if this candidate gets elected, then it's not going to do that. I disagree. I think no matter who's elected, crypto is going to explode. If it's somebody that's pro-crypto, crypto is going to explode. If it's somebody that's anti-crypto, crypto is going to explode because people are going to want to opt out and go even more towards crypto. If crypto continues to get pushback, then people are going to continue to want it more. It's like, you know, if you can't have that piece of candy, you want it more. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's how that's going to play out. I think a lot of people have the wrong take on this. They say, if so-and-so's elected, you know who so-and-so is. We're worried about getting shadow banned and talking about politics on this channel. You know who so-and-so is. If they get elected, oh, it's going to be a terrible bull market. No, it's not. Get your head out of the gutter. It's not. It's not. There's pro-crypto candidates. There's anti-crypto candidates. Regardless, crypto's bullish. Crypto's crypto. Are you paying attention? The bear trap's playing out beautifully. The bear trap is playing out beautifully. This has all been a bear trap. Could there be more pain in this bear trap? Absolutely. But I think we're going to see continuation here, guys. We got to see renewed optimism, FOMO, and euphoria. Let's get through November, and then we can blast off to the moon, my friends. This looks bad. A bear trap looks bad. This looks bad. Coins are down today. Not a lot of big winners over the last 7 days. A lot of big losers over the last 7 days. Nothing's really green today. A lot is very red today. This looks bad. But this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. And I stay optimistic. You know what else looks pretty good? Fed rates are coming. Fed rate cuts are coming. But investors disagree on the path forward. Markets may be running ahead of themselves by pricing aggressive interest rate cuts this year. Interesting. Somebody trying to paint this as bad news. Look, we're going to get a pivot, and that's going to be good. Maybe some people are getting a little too aggressive. Here's the odds on it. In 19 days, 0 hours, 10 minutes and 23 seconds, 22 seconds, 21 seconds, 20 seconds. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to keep going. 18 seconds. I'm not going to. I should stop. In 19 days. Sorry, guys. Feeling goofy. In 19 days, there is a 69.5% chance that they're going to cut the rates by 0.25%, okay? There's a 30% chance that they're going to cut it by 0.5%. I'm going to stick with this one. My prediction is that it's going to be a 0.25% rate cut. Now, if it is 0.5%, That could be very bullish. It also could be kind of scary because then people are going to be scared we're going to go into hyperinflation mode. Right now on poly markets, the chance of a recession is down to 8%. That's a fun fact for you. In November, there's a 48.9% chance that we're going to go down another 0.25%. And then there's a 42% chance that people believe that we're going to at some point find by November, some way that they brought us down, whether they do a 0.25% this time and then a 0.5% rate cut next time. There's a 42% chance that people think we're going to go to 4. I don't know. I think we're going to go 0.25, and do it slowly. I think they're going to have to do it slowly because we got to remain cautious, and the Fed has to remain cautious. They got to do this right or else we do risk hyperinflation. So there you go. So there's a lot of good news. Somebody was just asking me about Mary listing. Yeah, I think it's going to happen. I got it pulled up for you guys right here. It's down a little bit today, but I think it's going to get listed. It just got listed on the Cronos ZK EVM DeFi wallet listing, so that's cool. But yeah, I do think it's going to get listed eventually on crypto.com. I'm hopeful for it. We'll see. This is the Cronos meme coin ecosystem. We've been watching it pretty closely. We talk a lot about Cronos on this channel. I'm bullish on Mary and Ka. The rest of them, I could, you could give them or take them. I don't care right now. But when the Cronos market cap pumps again and when the meme season happens, well, then you can start to care about some of these other little memes as well. CZ is using a contraband cell phone. Look at you, CZ. How's the basement? Is the temperature okay? Is the temperature okay? Did we give you enough food last night, CZ? CZ lives in my basement. He's under house arrest living in my basement. Crypto Runder says, I bought the low on some Crow right now. Awesome. Love it. Let's do a Q&A, guys. Let's chat a little bit. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? What questions you guys got? What's going on? What's going on out there? Nostalgia Frame says, what is your price prediction for the peak of the bull market for Bitcoin? 200 to 300K. I'd be shocked if we didn't hit like 150. But like my most bullish, I don't know, somewhere in the 200 to 300K. Impossible. Absolutely impossible to pick a particular target. But 200 to 300K I feel good about. 170 would, I want to see, I feel like something about 175 is going to be the number. But 200 to 300K I'd want to see. I'd like to see. I think we should see. What else is going on? A lot of people bullish on 2025. Crypto Runner says, almost time to back up the truck on these low prices. Yee-wee. I agree, brother. Simon Kelly says, bad news. What's the bad news? No bad news. Just bad look. It looks bad, right? That's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail. I'm looking through the chat right here, just catching up with you guys. Gary Gensler looks like the scary movie guy with the little hand. He kind of does. It's a good one. Hey, Sifo Magione. Greetings from Italy. He says, no worries, crypto will explode through. This is a pro Crow channel. This is a pro Crow channel, CZ, so watch it. Oh, Pepe. Shout out to Coin Baron. We got Crow Nation in the chat. Pro Crow. Quid pro Crow. Nostalgia Farms with a great question. Would it be smart to 3x long Crow at these levels? Also, price prediction for Crow, please and thanks. Nostalgia Frames, I think you should know by now if you've been watching the channel that I am a Crow coin bull. I think that Crow coin's at the very least going to achieve $1 in the next bull market, but I think it could go from $2 to $5. Excuse me, $2 to $5 in this bull market. And that's just not something I pulled out of thin air. I took that price prediction based on the market cap of Binance, based on the success of the crypto.com exchange, looking at the market cap of the BNB token, comparing the Binance Smart Chain to the Cronos chain. Though the Binance chain's used a lot more, I think Cronos can finally get that utilization in this bull market, but we're going to have to see. If it doesn't, then that changes it, but $2 to $5 Crow is what I believe we could see. And to answer your question, would it be smart to 3x long for Crow at these levels? I'm going to say something very daring. You can get away with a lot with a 3x long. 2x long, 3x long, very hard to get liquidated on those. Very hard to get liquidated on those. 2x is better. 3x. It's good. 5x, you're getting a little more risky. 10x, you're quite risky. Quite very risky at 10x. Anything over 5x is going more towards gambling, and you really got to be a good trader. Really got to be a good trader to do anything above 5x, I think. But a 3x long on Crow, I mean, what would the liquidation price be? Can you answer that for me? I don't know off the top of my head what the liquidation price would be. But like, if the liquidation price is anything under 5 cents, I think it's fine. I don't think we're going back below 5 cents. I don't think we're going back below 5 cents for Crow. But please be careful. I'm not giving you financial advice on how to trade like that. I'm not going to tell you that's a great idea. I'm not going to tell you it's a terrible idea. But I will tell you is that 3x is safer than 5x. And that Crow's a pretty stable coin. And I don't think personally that it's going lower. But you got to take your own risks with that. So, Nostalgia Frames also said, I heard Crow signed a deal with Visa and MasterCard to be the first crypto payment provider. I have not heard that yet. I got to look that up. Is that a new one? Maybe that's an old story. Maybe that's old news to me, actually. I'm not sure. I'll have to peek back at that. But hey, I got my Crypto.com Visa card. I love it. Chris Elon said, I got hit by the meme coin bug with my COG gains. Me too, brother. Me too. And I lost some in some of that too. I made a good more than I lost. But I did lose. I didn't win every Crow meme play. I told you guys that. You know, there's a couple that I lost on. I took some losses on a couple. Couple that I could have taken some gains out of, but the Cronos meme coin ecosystem did not keep going. The meme mania did not keep going, but that's why you got to take profits along the way. That's why you got to. I could have taken more. You can always take more profits. Hindsight's 20/20, but I did take some really good profits. Paid off 2 cars, so that was pretty cool. Thoughts on Sonium? I do not. I do not have thoughts on Sonium. Never heard of it. XLM, you're a big XLM guy? How's XLM doing these days? Rank number 30. Do me a favor, guys. Got 40 folks watching. Only 16 likes. You guys got to tap that like button for me. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. And if you're enjoying the content, it means the world to me when you smash the like button. I greatly appreciate it. Stellar's not doing anything stellar. Looks like it's going to take another chance at 65 cents in this bull market at some point, though. That's almost a 10x. It's like a 7x, 7 or 8x. Sonium. Coin Baron's talking about it, too. What is it? By the way, go give Coin Baron a subscribe. He's got a YouTube channel. Oh, it's Sony's future coin. Yeah, I heard they were going to launch like a crypto exchange. Well, I'm not even seeing it on this yet. Yeah, keep an eye out for that. I don't know. Centralized company like Sony launching a coin. I'm happier with Bitcoin and stacks and things like that. You know, at least a crypto company like crypto.com, I can get behind a coin like that. But I don't know. Centralized company, you know. You know what I mean? XLM is XRP's little brother. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. And Riley says, do you think we're going to see much more of the bull run in the next 6 months? And in the U.S., is the crypto market massively dependent on Trump winning the election? I don't think that. We were talking about that earlier. I think that crypto is going to do what crypto is going to do regardless of whoever gets elected. But I do think that the bull market's, you know, October, November, December. That's when it's going to happen. I mean, if it doesn't, I'd be shocked. I don't have the facts on that, right? But I don't believe that. I think that October, November, December, we're going to see a lot more bull market, my friends. I got no thoughts on that coin. Working on a crypto casino game. Interesting. Interesting. What else is going on, guys? Happy Friday, by the way. Skywalkers, what is a freezable token? My buddy put money into a freezable token, and I don't know what it is or what to tell him. I'm assuming it's when somebody freezes a liquidity pool, and that's not good. Other than that, I don't really know what a freezable token is. Oh, that's all right, N. Riley. No problem. Happy to answer it for you. Yeah, but I kind of got into that a little bit. You should check it out. I kind of had like a whole rant on it. Touching grass this weekend, says John 316. Nice. Nice. I think I'm going to record my first golf round this weekend. Tomorrow morning. Playing at 7 a.m. I think I'm going to record it and mess around. All right, guys. That's all I got. That's all I got. This looks bad. That's the thumbnail. John 316 says, I'm buying a condo in Mexico with my gains. That looks good. I like that. Coin Baron asks, what is the biggest coins in the Stacks ecosystems next to Welsh? That's a great question, Coin Baron. I'll pull that up for you before I jet. Go to Stacks Tools, Coin Baron. Go to market cap, filter by market cap, and you will have your answer, my friend. So Alex, you know, that's not a meme, but Alex is the biggest coin in Stacks by market cap, along with Veller, which I don't think you're going to see on here. Veller is one. Oh, yeah, it's right there. Duh. Veller. These are two platforms that you can go trade on. This is where you use the DeFi side of Stacks. Alex Labs and Veller. Welsh is the #1 meme in those ecosystems. Arcadeco is a token associated with a stablecoin, the first stablecoin for layer 2 solution, Bitcoin DeFi. Arcadeco coin isn't the stablecoin. There is a Deco stablecoin as well, but this is just the coin associated with this platform, associated with that stablecoin. I don't like this NYC coin. I don't know. I'm not. I heard bad things about these, so I'm out of those. Other than that, same thing. Miami coin. I don't like that. I don't know anything about the Zero coin. Leo is actually, as you'll see, there's an ad. There was an ad up here. There usually is an ad up here. It's like the sponsor for the Stacks tools. It was for a long time. Maybe it's not anymore. But Leo is Munib's cat, I believe. Leo. I think that's what it is. That's a meme. I've heard a lot of people talking about Rue. Ones that were really hot in the last Stacks Mania was Pepe on Stacks. Pepe on Stacks. That one tickles me a little bit. I think that one's got some hype. I don't know anything about this one either, but Goat. You know, there you go. You got Spit. That's the Hawk Tua girl. Who knows? I don't know. A lot of memes in there, but just be careful. There's some political memes in there too, so you could see those if you want. But besides Welsh, Veller and Alex are two legitimate plays that aren't memes. And then you can kind of look to just some of the top meme coins, and that probably be Pepe would be my next Pepe on Stacks. And I don't have any of it right now. I'm just like a Welsh maniac. Oh, I also have some Gus. Yeah, but you can see some of the big movers up here. There's a Nakamoto coin. We'll see how that one does. So, yeah, you can just check them out. Another good place to check out the Stacks tokens is Sat Screener. You go to the Stacks tokens, and then you could go by, like, you know, 24-hour volume. Stone had a pump. Yeah. So you can check them out there as well. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you in this one. I got to get going. I got some work to do, but I wanted to give you guys another stream here Monday through Friday. We're doing live streams for you guys. Chris Ellens just asked, do you live stream daily? Monday through Friday, we do 5 videos a day on our channel. 2 are shorts, 3 are long form videos on the weekdays. 1 of those long form videos is a live stream. We will keep talking about those. So, bullish on Caspo, bullish on Tom, bullish on Crow, bullish on crypto, guys. Bullish on crypto. Looking forward to the bull market. I got a jet. Until next time, guys, I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. More videos later today, because that's just how we're doing it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. Balloons.